Show me when to start.
Okay, I gotta do this too. She's gotta hear her move.
Go for it.
Cheer her on. I don't know if she's going to be able to do it.
You can do it. Oh, is your sister going to cheer you on, or she's going to compete with you?
Oh my god.
Keep going. Oh, moving in slow motion. You're getting a slow motion adjustment. Oh, don't slow down. You got to have one going. Okay, lift this leg up straight. Keep going. Good job on the other side. Ooh, you're doing it. Deep breaths in and out. Keep going. One more. You did it. All done. Good job.
Oh.
Awesome.